Good evening, Jamaica and Jamaicans overseas who've been following the issue of our students in Ukraine. I wanted to let you know that the 24 students that left Lviv earlier today, you heard about their bus drive being disrupted, so that they had to take the rest of the journey on foot, that they have reached a border point, an agreed border point. Of course, these areas are extremely crowded, so it will take time for them to go through. Regrettably, we understand that 2 of the students are not feeling well, one in particular because of the cold. She's currently getting care in an ambulance now at that border crossing point. Miss Seeley and our Polish contact on the other side are on their way to the border point, and they do have a heated bus that is ready to accommodate the 24 students when they will have crossed through. And as I've indicated before, we've made arrangements for accommodations and food on that side, and of course we know that arrangements are being made in respect of flights back home as soon as they are available. So I'm just asking for some calm and understanding. Understand the crowds that are there at this point in time at each of the border crossings. We have had confirmation from the Polish Ministry of Foreign Affairs that they have received the names of our students. We have sent them formally, so they should not have any difficulty in entering Poland. The difficulty now is the sheer size of the crowds and therefore the time it takes to get through. So I'm asking you, Jamaica, and all our Jamaican friends, pray for them, pray for their strength, their good health, and their resilience for their passage through onto the other side. Thank you so much for giving them your every good wish and prayer.